Many television stations in small to medium-sized towns now hire what those of us in the industry call one-man bands. These are television reporters who do it all, from hosting the segments to recording and editing what you see on the air. WLOS ABC 13 anchor Justin Hinton recently fired up Facebook Live on his phone for his weather broadcast in Asheville, North Carolina, about the city's first real snowfall. Just a little problem. Justin forgot to turn off Facebook's live mystery mask augmented reality filter for his entire broadcast about the dangers that snow was presenting on the roads where there hadn't been such an event for 2 years. Justin, the esteemed reporter, wore a space helmet or had giant googly eyes. And the best was what looked like something from the Broadway show and movie Cats. The moral of the story is simple. Before you go live at home or for work, do a test. Otherwise, you might look like a flake. I really appreciate you being here, and stick with me for your trusted digital know-how. Find your local radio station that broadcasts my show, along with more DIY how-tos, videos, free news alerts delivered from me to your email address, along with the Komando community, where you can blog and ask your tech questions on our website without anyone tracking you. That's komando.com. And thanks so much for watching. Hey, thanks for watching. Now, a few things. Don't forget to click the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for more digital know-how, check out all these other great links.